in the locomotor system. The three important function of the ATP. Number one, ATP performs a contractile process, contraction of the muscle. During relaxation, ATP mediated a reaction, that is calcium restore back into the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Number third, ATP maintaining the sodium potassium ion gradients across the sarcolemma or membrane potential, that is membrane potential. So these are the important function of the ATP during the muscular in the locomotor system. Now question is arise that this ATP required for these three process. Question is arises here. Number one thing तो ये हो गई कि ATP का रोल क्या है. नंबर सेकंड क्वेश्चन, ये सिंपल सवाल उसमें इंटरैक्टिव स्टेशन पे क्वेश्चन कोई पूछ सकता है, व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ द एटीपी ड्यूरिंग द रिलैक्सेशन ऑफ द मसल. ये भी क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज अराइज दैट from where ATP comes for the muscular biochemistry, from where the ATP is formed, or from where the ATP comes back for the muscular biochemistry. There are four important biochemical metabolic pathways. There are four important metabolic pathways. Number one, that is a glycolysis. Number second, TCA cycle. Number third, electron transport chain. And number four, that is oxidative phosphorylation. इसको ऑक्सीडेटिव फास्फोराइलेशन को दूसरा नाम बायोकेमिस्ट्री फ्रॉम मस्कुलर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को फास्फोक्रिएटिन पाथवे भी कहते हैं. फास्फोक्रिएटिन पाथवे. ऑक्सीडेटिव फास्फोराइलेशन तो लिपिड मेटाबॉलिज्म में भी होती है. ऑक्सीडेटिव फास्फोराइलेशन कार्बोहाइड्रेट मेटाबॉलिज्म में भी होती है. ऑक्सीडेटिव फास्फोराइलेशन जेनेटिक्स के डिफरेंट रूट्स में भी होती है. व्हिच ऑक्सीडेटिव फास्फोराइलेशन? Oxidative phosphorylation during the phosphokeratin shuttle, phosphokeratin metabolism. So question is now arise, from where the ATP comes from where the ATP come, what are the sources, what are the biochemical pathways? From the ATP, energy bonding compounds comes for the muscular biochemistry, for the locomotor biochemistry, for the nourishment, for the contractile, for the membrane potential, for the relaxation, re-storage of the calcium. Four important function: nourishment, muscular contraction, relaxation of the muscle for the restoration of the calcium, and number fourth, membrane potential, sodium and potassium gradient maintenance of also under process of the ATP. So from where the ATP come, from the four creatine phosphate pathway. Creatine phosphate pathway. Another name of the phosphokeratin pathway, that is PCR, phosphokeratin reaction. Phosphokeratin reaction. That is an important energy stored in the skeletal muscle. What is a phosphokeratin? Phosphokeratin is the important compound for the energy stored in the skeletal muscle. Creatine is synthesized in the liver. Muscle के अंदर जो creatine आती है बेटा, from where it is come? Creatine is not synthesized in the muscle. No, creatine is synthesized in the liver. From which amino acid creatine is synthesized in the liver? जो muscle के अंदर creatine use होती है, which is synthesized in the liver. Which amino acid plays important role? From which amino acid creatine is derived? Arginine. Mind these things, because आपके बुक के अंदर बेटा ये टॉपिक क्लियरली एक जगह पे लोकेटेड नहीं है. दो पेजेस कहाँ पे लिखे हुए हैं, एक पेज कहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, मतलब लोकोमोटर सिस्टम मॉड्यूल सिस्टम है, उन्होंने कंपाइल किया है. तो उसीलिए मेरा कहने का मकसद है कि आप लेक्चर में जो मैं पॉइंट्स पे ज्यादा एम्फेसाइज कर रहा हूँ उनको अलग से नोट जरूर कर लीजिएगा, क्योंकि फिर बीसीक्यूज के अंदर, ओएसपी के अंदर आप पिछली भी ओएसपी देख चुके हैं, उससे भी गुजर चुके हैं. तो जो डेफिशिएंसीज हमारे अंदर आई हैं वो डेफिशिएंसीज में आपको फिर चेक करवाना चाहता हूं कि ये चीजें आप नोट कर लें. क्रिएटिन इज सिंथेसाइज्ड इन द लिवर, नॉट इन द मसल. क्रिएटिन इज सिंथेसाइज्ड इन द लिवर फ्रॉम द थ्री अमीनो एसिड: arginine, glycine and methionine. Arginine, glycine and methionine, and transported to the muscle cells. Creatine is not synthesized in the muscle. It is synthesized in the liver from 3 amino acid, arginine, glycine, and methionine, and transported to the muscular cells, where it is phosphorylated by the creatine kinase enzyme. ATP is required to form the creatine phosphate compound as phosphocreatine compound. This is the background of the phosphocreatine compound. Phosphocreatine pathway. What is a phosphocreatine pathway? Phosphocreatine pathway, creatine is first synthesized in the liver from the 3 amino acid, any 3 amino acid, any one of these 3 amino acid, arginine, glycine, and methionine, and then transported to the muscular tissue. जब वो creatinine shuttle के through from liver to the muscle पहुंच जाती है बेटा, जब शटल के थ्रू फ्रॉम लिवर टू द मस्कुलर पहुंच जाती है, उसके बाद मसल्स के अंदर उसकी फास्फोराइलेशन का प्रोसेस होता है. फास्फोराइलेशन एट द मस्कुलर टिश्यूज, फास्फो देयर इज एन एंजाइम क्रिएटिन काइनेज. This creatine kinase causes the phosphorylation of the creatine. ATP is required and form the compound creatine phosphate. और जब ये compound split होता है तो ATP release होती है, which give the ATPs for the muscular system. There is a scenario, ADP plus phosphocreatine. Creatine kinase catalyze this reaction, final product ATP and creatine. When creatinine comes into the muscular tissue, this creatinine combined with the ATP in the presence of the enzyme creatine kinase form the compound phosphocreatine. This reaction is reversible reaction. When ATP is required for the muscular function, this phosphocreatine compound is split out. Again, the action of the creatine kinase form the ATP and creatine. Creatine again goes to the liver side or the storage side and ATP used. After the usage of the ATP, again creatinine combined with the ATP and form the phosphocreatine compound. So this is a scenario. This is a phosphocreatine compound, phosphocreatine pathway. Creatine is synthesized from the liver from the 3 amino acids, arginine, methionine, and glycine. Then transported to the muscular tissue by the creatine shuttle. At the muscular tissue, there is a creatine kinase enzyme, and along with the ATP, it forms the compound that is phosphocreatine. Phosphocreatine is stored at the liver. When energy is required, phosphocreatine is split out. This is a reversible reaction, and ATP is formed for the utilization. This reaction occurs in the sarcoplasm. ATP broken down during contraction is rapidly restored. This reaction. ADP plus phosphocreatine, creatine kinase, ATP and creatine. Creatine plus ATP finally form the phosphocreatine. So this reaction is occur at the sarcoplasm. ATP broken down during contraction is rapidly restored. Phosphocreatine is subject to depletion during extended period of the contraction. Phosphocreatine is subject to depletion during extended period of the contraction. Intense effort. हम बहुत ज़्यादा कोशिश कर रहे हैं. हमारी contraction का period normal एक contraction होती है muscular, कोई वजन उठा लिया, कोई 5 किलो की थैली उठा ली, कोई भी वर्क कर लिया, muscular contraction is the normal. For example, एक दरवाजा हमसे नहीं खुल रहा, हमारे रूम का दरवाजा लॉक हो गया है, कोई उसके अंदर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो गई है, नहीं खुल रहा, हम उसको फुल जोर लगा रहे हैं, 15-20 मिनट से हमारी पूरी बॉडी के मसल कंट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं. Phosphocreatine in these extended period, there is a depletion of the phosphocreatine compound. Rephosphorylation of the creatine occurs at the mitochondrial membrane. एक होती है phosphorylation, और मैंने आपको कहा कि ये reaction है phosphocreatine वाला, it is a reversible reaction. Definitely जब phosphorylation हो रही है तो definitely उसकी rephosphorylation भी होगी. From where the rephosphorylation occur? Rephosphorylation occur at the mitochondrial membrane. Phosphorylation occur at the cytoplasm. Rephosphorylation occur of the creatine occur at the mitochondrial membrane. Glycolysis. Second source of the energy, that is glycolysis. Glycolysis comes from the Greek word, two words, that is a glycix, that is sweet, and lysis is the breakdown or the splitting. Splitting of the sweet compound, breakdown of the sweet compound, that is a main compound, that is glucose. Sometimes a glycogen, but major compound in the glycolysis, that is glucose. It is also known as the Embedon-Merhoef-Parnas pathway, Embedon-Merhoef-Parnas pathway, or EMP pathway, glycolysis. What is a glycolysis? It is a sequence of the reaction that convert glucose into the pyruvate compound with the concomitant production of the relatively small amount of the adenosine triphosphate. Glucose compound is split into the pyruvate compound, release of the energy. This is a glycolysis. Simply, पूरी इंग्लिश भूल जाओ, सब कुछ भूल जाओ, दिमाग में तीन चीजें याद रखना. इनिशियल प्रोडक्ट ग्लूकोज, व्हेन ग्लूकोज इज ब्रेक डाउन, फाइनल प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम द पायरुवेट एंड गिव्स द एटीपी मॉलिक्यूल. दिस इज नोन एज ग्लाइकोलाइसिस, नथिंग एल्स. सब भूल जाओ, पूरी इंग्लिश, ये कंकोमिनेंट, कन्वर्ट्स, ये वो. फॉर एग्जांपल डफर से डफर स्टूडेंट भी है, उसको भी ग्लाइकोलाइसिस की डेफिनेशन का बोला जाए, वो भी तीन लफ्ज याद कर ले. व्हाट इज अ ग्लाइकोलाइसिस? ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ ग्लूकोज फ्रॉम पायरुवेट along रिलीजिंग ऑफ एनर्जी, known as glycolysis. Glycolysis is the sequence of 10 enzyme catalyzed reaction that converts glucose into the pyruvate with simultaneous production of the ATP. In this oxidative process, 1 mole of the glucose is partially oxidized to 2 moles of the pyruvate. 1 molecule of glucose when broken down from the 2 pyruvate compound. This major pathway of glucose metabolism occurs in the cytosol almost of all the cells. Glycolysis occur at the cytosol, not at the mitochondria. This point is important for BCQ. Glycolysis occur at the cytosol and commonly occur mostly at all the cells, at the brain, at the red blood cells, at the liver, kidney, whatsoever. Glycolysis occur almost all the cell. This unique pathway occurs aerobically as well as anaerobically. Aerobically, जब glycolysis के दो portions है, aerobic glycolysis and anaerobic glycolysis. When aerobic glycolysis is formed, glucose break down into the pyruvate. And anaerobically glycolysis, glucose breakdown, final product, not pyruvate, but it is a lactate. And one point, common thing is, must be remembered, ATP released during aerobically glycolysis. In the anaerobically, ATP released but utilized for the some purpose. This is a detail, not up to your level, up to your locomotor system. You must remember that thing. Glycolysis have two important types: aerobical and anaerobical. Aerobical glycolysis, final product, that is a pyruvate. Glucose breakdown, final product is a pyruvate. ATP should be released. Anaerobic glycolysis, glucose breakdown, final product is lactate. ATP net, production of ATP is 0 in the anaerobic glycolysis. Glucose utilization, when glucose present in our body, it's utilized to the extracellular matrix and cell wall for the polysaccharides. Glucose for the oxidation via pentose phosphate pathways. मैंने आपको कहा ना, ऑक्सीडेटिव फास्फोराइलेशन ऑक्सीडेशन दूसरी जगह पे भी होती है. ग्लूकोज की ऑक्सीडेटिव फास्फोराइलेशन occur in the pentose phosphate pathway. Glucose utilized in the synthesis of the polymers of the glycogen, starch, and glucose. And glucose utilized for the storage purpose in the oxidation via glycolysis. Glucose is stored in the glycogen, starch, and sucrose form. Glucose, the oxidation via glycolysis, and glucose oxidation ribose phosphate pathway, and glucose synthesis of the structural compound for the extracellular matrix, cell wall, polysaccharide. This is the major pathways of the glucose utilization. If anybody asks the question, body of the glucose, when glucose enter in the human body, what it will do, what is glucose, what is the pathways for glucose? Important 4 pathway. यहाँ तो ग्लूकोज जाएगा, स्ट्रक्चरल सिंथेसिस करेगा, स्ट्रक्चरल कंपाउंड के कंट्रीब्यूशन करेगा in the synthesis of the different structural compound like extracellular matrix हो गई, cell wall के polysaccharides हो गए, whatsoever. Number 1. नंबर सेकंड, या तो ग्लूकोज हो जाएगा स्टोर्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द स्टार्च, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द ग्लाइकोजन, इन फॉर्म ऑफ द सुक्रोज, या तो ग्लूकोज चला जाएगा ऑक्सीडेशन वाया पेंटोज फॉस्फेट पाथवे जेनेटिक्स की तरफ से, या ग्लूकोज चला जाएगा ऑक्सीडेशन वाया ग्लाइकोलाइसिस, ग्लाइकोलाइसिस के अंदर ग्लाइकोलाइसिस फिर पायरुवेट में कन्वर्ट होगा, पायरुवेट एटीपी रिलीज करेगी. Glycolysis by glycogen. Glycogen is a polysaccharide of the glucose. Glycogen, which function is a primary short-term energy storage in the muscle cell, that is a myofiber. Glycogen is a polysaccharide of the glucose. Glucose compound का polysaccharide है, which function as the primary short-term energy. First primary short-term energy storage in the muscle myofiber. Glycogen is found in form of the granules in the sarcoplasm and plays important role in the glucose cycle. This is glycolysis. Glucose start from the hexokinase enzyme catalyze the reaction that form the glucose 6-phosphate. ये पूरी टेबल बेटा आपके लिपिनकॉट में, सत्या में, हर जगह बनी हुई है. अब इसके लिए आप परेशान मत होइएगा, मैं जस्ट एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ. ग्लूकोज दैट इज अ फॉर्म, फर्स्ट जो फॉर्म है दैट इज अ ग्लूकोज फॉर्म इन द ग्लूकोज 6-phosphate. देन अनदर एंजाइम phosphohexoisomerase catalyze the reaction form 6-phosphate. In the first reaction and the second reaction of the glycolysis, ATP is utilized. ATP is utilized. And the final last reaction and the seventh reaction, ATP is formed during the glycolysis. So therefore, glycolysis divided into two phases, preparatory phase and payoff phase. Two phases of the glycolysis. Glycolysis leads to the breakdown of the 6-carbon glucose into 2 molecule of the 3-carbon pyruvate, with the enzyme catalyzed reaction being bifurcated or categorized into two phases. वही बात जो मैंने अभी आपको बताई. Phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1 known as the preparatory phase and phase 2 known as the payoff phase. Phase 1 known as the preparatory phase and phase 2 is known as the payoff phase. What is the preparatory phase of the glycolysis? First 5 steps are regarded as the preparatory phase, preparatory phase because known as the investment phase. Invest करते हैं हम, ATP को invest कर रहे हैं, हम एक अपना माल लगा रहे हैं, कोई प्लॉटिंग के लिए हम इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. फेज, since they consume energy to convert the glucose into 2,3-carbon sugar phosphate, so this is known as the preparatory phase. Preparatory phase, again वही बात, first 5 step of glycolysis, enzymatically phosphorylated by ATP, fructose 1,6-bisphosphate first step में बनेगा. Then whatsoever dihydroxyacetone and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate compound बनेंगे. 3-carbon containing compounds split हो गए. ग्लूकोज के अंदर 6 कार्बन है, वो स्प्लिट हो गए, 3 कार्बन वाले 2 कंपाउंड बनेंगे. ग्लाइसरल्डिहाइड 3-phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. ट्रायोस शुगर कार्बोहाइड्रेट का पहला लेक्चर था. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ द कार्बोहाइड्रेट और मोनोसेक्राइड, उसमें ट्रायोस शुगर के अंदर आपने पढ़ा था 3 कार्बन, ग्लाइसरल्डिहाइड 3-phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Thus the first phase result in the cleavage of the hexose chain. What is the result of the first phase or preparatory phase? The main result is the cleavage of the hexose chain. This cleavage requires an investment of the 2 ATP molecules to activate the glucose molecule and prepare it for its cleavage into 3-carbon compounds. What is the main purpose of the preparatory phase of the glycolysis? Main purpose, that is a result, main purpose investment of the 2 ATP molecule. ATP molecule invest क्यों होती हैं, उसका result क्या मिलता है? ATP molecule when invest to activate the glucose molecule and prepare results in the cleavage of the hexose chain and form the 2,3 molecule triose molecule compound. These are the 5 reactions, first 5 reaction. In the first reaction, ATP utilized, goes ADP. Second, again at the third reaction, ATP utilized 2 molecule dihydroxyacetone and glyceraldehyde. Glycolysis second phase, payoff phase. The second half of the glycolysis is characterized by a net gain of the energy rich molecule ATP and NADH. हमने पहले मॉलिक्यूल में 5 साल हमने इन्वेस्ट किया, 5 साल हमने कमाया. यही फार्मूला अप्लाई करें। 5 साल हमने पैसा लगाया, 5 साल हमने प्लॉटिंग से पैसा कमाया। दिस इज एग्जांपल अप्लाइड ऑन हियर, पे ऑफ फेज। प्रीपैरेटरी फेज में हमने एटीपी लगा ली, पे ऑफ में हम एटीपी ले रहे विद NADH मॉलिक्यूल। दिस फेज constitute again the last 5 reaction of glycolysis. This phase marks the release of the ATP molecule during conversion of the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate to 2 molecules or 2 moles of the pyruvate. Here 4 moles of the ATP are phosphorylated to ATP. Although 4 molecules or 4 moles of ATP are formed, the net result is only 2 moles of ATP per mole of glucose oxidized, since 2 mole of ATP are utilized in phase 1. फिर से इस पूरी पैरा को आप खुद भी पढ़े, मैं खुद भी पढ़ाता हूं आपको, फिर एक्सप्लेन करता हूं। दिस फेज कॉन्स्टिट्यूट लास्ट 5 रिएक्शन। पे ऑफ के अंदर आखिरी वाले 5 रिएक्शन ऑफ द ग्लाइकोलाइसिस इन द पे ऑफ रिएक्शन। पहले वाले 5 रिएक्शन प्रीपैरेटरी फेज के अंदर। This phase marks the release of the ATP. Payoff phase के अंदर क्या marks the release of ATP molecule during conversion of the glyceraldehyde. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate molecule convert होता है 2 moles of the pyruvate. 2 moles of the pyruvate बनाता है। Here 4 moles of ATP are phosphorylated to ATP. 2 moles pyruvate के बन रहे हैं, 4 moles definitely ATP के phosphorylated होंगे ATP के अंदर। Although the 4 moles of ATP are formed, 4 moles और 4 molecule बन रहे हैं ATP के। The net result is only 2 molecule of ATP per mole of glucose oxidized, because 4 मॉलिक्यूल बन रहे हैं, 2 मॉलिक्यूल हमारे एटीपी के ऑलरेडी इन्वेस्ट हुए। हमने इन्वेस्ट किए 2, 4 हमें मिले, 2 डेफिनेटली जो हमने इन्वेस्ट किए उसको साइड में रखते हैं। बेनिफिट हमें मिला है 2 एटीपी मॉलिक्यूल का। So this is a second pathway, glycolysis. Energy ATP molecule for muscular system, number 1 phosphokeratin reaction, number 2 glycolysis, and number 3 cycle, that is a TCA cycle or Krebs cycle, tricarboxylic acid cycle. It is also known as the citric acid cycle or the Krebs cycle. It is a series of the enzyme catalyzed chemical reaction of central importance in all living cells that use oxygen as part of the cellular respiration. The process, the citric acid cycle begins. Glycolysis start कहाँ से होती है बेटा? Breakdown of the glucose. Citric acid cycle कहाँ से start होती है? It begins with acetyl-CoA compound, transferring its 2-carbon acetyl group to the 4-carbon acceptor compound known as the oxaloacetate, and finally to form 6-carbon compound, that is citrate. Acetyl-CoA is the initial product. 2 carbon compound फिर बनेंगे 4 carbon compound. The name of the 4-carbon compound in the TCA cycle, that is oxaloacetate. These points are important for BCQ. And then 4 compound again form the 6-carbon compound that is known as citrate. In the compound of the citrate in TCA cycle, how many carbons are present? 6. In the oxaloacetate, 4 carbon. In the acetyl-CoA, 2 carbon. Acetyl-CoA, 2 carbon. Oxaloacetate, 4 carbon atom. Citrate contains 6 carbon atom. The citrate then goes through a series of the chemical transformation, losing carbon dioxide, and gives oxaloacetate. Oxaloacetate. For each acetyl group that enters the citric acid cycle, 3 molecules of ADP, NADH are produced. Each acetyl group, एक acetyl group जो citric acid cycle के अंदर enter होता है बेटा, वो 3 molecules देता है NADH के. Electrons are also transferred to the electron acceptor FAD, forming FADH2. At the end of each cycle, the 4-carbon oxaloacetate has been regenerated and the cycle continues. End of the cycle पे oxaloacetate फिर 4-carbon atom वाला compound regenerate हो जाता है। ये मैंने आपको जो मस्क्यूलर बायोकेमिस्ट्री के 4 पाथवेज बताए, इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट, ग्लाइकोलाइसिस, टीसीए साइकिल और उसके अलावा ऑक्सीडेटिव फास्फोराइलेशन या फास्फोकेरेटिन पाथवे उसको बोल लें। इन चारों में से मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे यहाँ अराइज होता है, व्हिच इज द रिचेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ एटीपी प्रोवाइड फ्रॉम दीज 4 कंपाउंड्स फ्रॉम दीज 4 मेटाबॉलिक रिएक्शन टू द मसल। फॉर एग्जांपल आपके पास बीसीक्यू आ जाए, which is the richest source of the energy for the locomotor system, for the muscular system from the following metabolic reaction: phosphokeratin pathway, glycolysis, TCA cycle, electron transport chain. The best answer is that TCA cycle. Citric acid cycle is the major fuel compound. Citric acid cycle provide the major ATP compound for the muscular system. Glycolysis have a little bit contribution. Phosphokeratin in a certain condition. Electron transport chain in a certain and specified condition, but TCA cycle is the general ATPs from the TCA cycle provide for the muscular nourishment, contraction whatsoever. Significance of the TCA cycle: it is a complete oxidation of the acetyl-CoA compound. ATP generation cycle: it is a final common oxidative pathway of the carbohydrate metabolism. Integration of the major metabolic pathways. TCA cycle integrate करता है पायरुवेट के साथ, TCA cycle integrate करता है ग्लूकोज के साथ, TCA cycle integrate करती है different amino acid cycles के साथ, TCA cycle integrate करती है fatty acid synthesis के साथ, उसके different acetyl CoA compound different routes पे उसको लेकर जाती है. That's why it is called integration of the major metabolic. TCA cycle, Krebs cycle is a main integrated point. आप ये समझ लें कि जिस तरह फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको किस तरह अपनी ह्यूमन लाइफ में डेली लाइफ में एक एग्जाम्पल देके बताऊं TCA साइकिल इंटीग्रेशन. हाँ, हैदराबाद बाईपास का जो नीचे वाला मोड़ आता है हुंडा पैलेस की तरफ, राजपुताना हॉस्पिटल की तरफ, दिस इज द इंटीग्रेशन रोड, इंटीग्रेशन सर्किट व्हिच इंटीग्रेटेड 4 थिंग्स. हैदराबाद सिटी को भी वो आके वहां पे मिला रहा है, जामशोरो सिटी वहां से आ रहा है, डायरेक्टली कराची से जो भी आ रहा है वो भी उसी चौराहे के अंदर आ रहा है, और हालांकि साइड से मटियारी की साइड से जो लोग आ रहे हैं वो भी उसी चौराहे पे आ रहे हैं. इट इज द इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किल of the bypass Hyderabad or near the Rajputana hospital or near the Honda Palace. It is an integrated circle. Same like TCA cycle, it is an integration of the carbohydrate metabolism, of the lipid metabolism, protein metabolism, nucleic acid metabolism. So another significance of the TCA cycle, fat is burned on the wick of the carbohydrates. Excess carbohydrates are converted as a neutral fat. जो ज्यादा carbohydrate हो जाती हैं TCA cycle के through वो neutral fat में convert हो जाती है. No net synthesis of carbohydrates from fats. कोई भी कार्बोहाइड्रेट फैट से नहीं बन रहा, हालांकि इंटीग्रेशन है, मगर इस साइकिल को इस तरह से डिजाइन कुदरत वाले ने किया है. नो एनी कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज सिंथेसाइज्ड फ्रॉम द फैटी टिश्यूज. Carbon skeleton of the amino acid finally enter the TCA cycle. So this is the significance of TCA cycle. TCA cycle's significance is important for your PCQ and for your OSP as well as for short essay. Write down the clinical or biochemical importance, biochemical significance of TCA cycle. कितनी पॉइंट्स है? 2, 4, 6, 8 पॉइंट्स को आप अपने वर्ड्स में, इसको तो मैंने हेडलाइंस में किया है, आप अपने वर्ड्स में लिखना स्टार्ट करें तो 2 पेजेस हो जाएंगे बेटा. 5 में से 5 नंबर आपको आराम से, कम से कम एटलीस्ट 4 नंबर तो आपको मिल ही जाएंगे. सो कंप्लीट ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ द एसिटाइल CoA, ATP generation cycle, final common oxidative pathway, integration of the different major metabolic pathways like carbohydrate metabolism, protein metabolism, and lipid metabolism. Fat is burned on the wick of the carbohydrates. Excessive carbohydrates are converted as a neutral fat. No any carbohydrate form synthesized from the fat. Carbon skeleton of amino acid finally enter the TCA cycle. Another source of the energy for the muscular biochemistry for the muscle, that is electron transport chain. It is a chemical reaction between an electron donor such as NADH and an electron acceptor such as oxygen to transfer the hydrogen ion across the membrane. It is a chemical reaction. What is electron transport chain? It is a chemical reaction between the electron donor and electron acceptor, oxygen and NADH to the transfer of hydrogen ion across the cell membrane. These hydrogen ions are used to produce ATP as they move back across the membrane. ATP electron transport chain से ATP बनाता कौन है? Which ion is responsible? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, sodium, potassium, whatsoever. Hydrogen ions are used to produce, this is a BCQ, hydrogen ions are used to produce ATP as they move back across the membrane. Electron transport chain cycle have a two important process. Process number 1 and process number 2. What is process number 1? Electrons from these donors NADH are passed through an electron transport chain redox process to oxygen, which is reduced to water. First process में क्या होता है? Electrons from donors NADH are passed through an electron transport chain to the oxygen, which is reduced to the water. The enzymes that catalyze these reactions create a proton gradient across the membrane, producing a thermodynamically unlikely high energy state with the potential to do work. जब process 1 होता है, unlikely, there is a thermodynamically generation होती है energy की, energy state with the potential to do work. First process में क्या होता है? Electrons from these donors are passed through an electron transport chain to oxygen, which is reduced to the water. Which enzymes involved in the electron transport chain? This question almost asked in different parameters, like in OSP, like in BCQ. Write down the name of the enzyme in the complex 1. Write down the enzyme name of which enzyme belong to the complex 2. BCQ's point of view, this slide is highly important. Complex number 1, name of the enzyme, different enzymes used in the electron transport chain. They are labeled as a complex 1, coenzyme Q, complex 2, complex 3, and complex 4. Cytochrome C. These are the different enzymes utilized in the electron transport chain. Number 1, which name of the enzyme in complex 1? NADH coenzyme Q reductase. NADH coenzyme Q reductase is considered as a complex 1. Which enzyme or which compound in the coenzyme Q? Ubiquinone. Ubiquinone, considered as a coenzyme Q. Name of the enzyme in complex 2. Name of the enzyme in complex 2, that is succinate dehydrogenase. This succinate dehydrogenase enzyme name continuously repeated in your different annual exam papers. Name of the complex 2 enzyme or name of the complex 1 enzyme. These are highly important. Complex 3, called cytochrome BC1 complex. Cytochrome BC1 complex. This is complex 3. Cytochrome C, cyto C, and complex 4, there is enzyme cytochrome C oxidase. Cytochrome C oxidase, it is a complex 4. Cytochrome BC1 complex, it is a complex 3. Succinate dehydrogenase, it is a complex 2. NADH coenzyme Q reductase, it is a complex 1. And ubiquinone, it is a coenzyme Q. The process 2, this proton gradient is used by the FOF1 ATP synthase complex to make ATP via oxidative phosphorylation. The FA component of ATP synthase subunit acts as an ion channel for return of the protons back into the mitochondrial matrix. Basically, ATP बनती है electron transport chain के process number 2 में. Basically, ATP are synthesized at the process number 2. मगर process number 1 के अंदर thermodynamically ऐसा look लगता है कि जैसे ATP इतनी energy आ गई है, highly working energy हो गई है, but there is a false ATP, there is a false energy. Basic energy of the electron transport chain are synthesized in the process number 2 because there is an enzyme ATP synthase functioning during the process number 2. ATP synthase enzyme is deficient in not present in the process number 1. These are the important points. During their return, the free energy produced during the generation of oxidized form of the electron carriers, NAD and FAD, is used to drive ATP synthesis catalyzed by F1 component of the complex. complex 1, 2, ubiquinone, 3 and 4, and finally hydrogen ion and ATP. Electron transport chain, first is the complex 1 compound, then complex 2, 1 and 2 combined बन के जाते हैं coenzyme में, coenzyme ubiquinone. Ubiquinone, then ubiquinone से फिर जब 1 and 2 की combination हो जाती है तो cytochrome C, complex 3 and complex 4 finally and from the hydrogen ion produce the ATP जो मैंने आपको पहले point उसकी बताई. Electron transport chain, there is a summary. NADH compound, finally NAD, 3 ATP molecules are formed and 4 water molecules are formed. 3 ATP molecules formed in the electron transport chain, 2 ATP net molecules are net molecule in the glycolysis. ये point याद रखिएगा. कोई अगर आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछे glycolysis के 1 टर्न में 1 molecule of the glucose को अगर break down किया जाए तो कितने ATP molecule बनेंगे? बनना और नेट प्रोडक्शन मिलना दोनों अलग चीज है. ये क्वेश्चन में डिफरेंट रखिएगा. यहाँ पे हमारे बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा मार खा जाते हैं इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर. क्वेश्चन ये है बेटा, 1 molecule of glucose when synthesized, when break down into the pyruvate, how many molecules or how many moles of ATP are formed? Answer of that, 4 moles of the ATP are formed. 4 moles, basically 4 moles of ATP, but we cancel the 2 moles which are already invested in the first and third reaction. The final net production. Question अगर आपसे examiner पूछता है, what are the net production of ATP in the 1 cycle of the glycolysis? Then 2 ATP. जनरल क्वेश्चन पूछता है कि पूरी ग्लाइकोलाइसिस में एटीपी बनते कितने? देयर आर 4 एटीपीज. सेम क्वेश्चन इज हियर, हाउ मेनी एटीपी मॉलिक्यूल्स आर फॉर्म्ड इन द इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट चेन? 3 ATP molecules are formed after the one round of the electron transport chain. How many ATP molecules are formed in the phosphokeratin pathway? 1 or 2. But there is a multiple ATP compound formed in the citric acid cycle. So these are the energy sources. So this is about the muscular biochemistry. Number one thing is that which compound is important for the muscular biochemistry? That is ATP. Number one thing. What are the function of the ATP? Muscular nourishment, contractile process. During relaxation, there is a pumping of the calcium back into the sarcoplasmic reticulum and membrane potential, sodium potassium gradient, maintaining the gradient. ATP आती कहाँ से है? 4 cycles: glycolysis, Krebs cycle, electron transport chain, oxidative phosphorylation और phosphokeratin. Keratin compound बनता कहाँ पे? That is liver. Which amino acids are involved? Arginine, glycine and methionine. Then how keratin comes to the muscular system? Keratin from liver to the muscular system, from the muscles by transported via the keratin shuttle. वहां पे मसल पे आके वो phosphorylated होती है by the enzyme that is keratin kinase. ATP is required. उसके बाद ये कहानी चलती है, कभी जब ATP की जरूरत होती है तो फास्फोकेरेटिन कंपाउंड स्प्लिट होता है, एटीपी और केरेटिन देता है. जब एटीपी की जरूरत नहीं है, रीस्टोर करना है, तो केरेटिन काइनेज अगेन उन दोनों को केरेटिन और एटीपी को मिला के फास्फोकेरेटिन कर देती है. दिस इज फास्फोकेरेटिन. फास्फोकेरेटिन के अलावा ग्लाइकोलाइसिस के कितने टाइप्स हैं? ग्लाइकोलाइसिस के सेकंड नाम क्या है? ग्लाइकोलाइसिस की सिंपल डेफिनेशन क्या है? ग्लाइकोलाइसिस के अंदर रेट लिमिटिंग एंजाइम का नाम क्या है? उसका नाम है बेटा ये हेक्सोकाइनेज. हेक्सोकाइनेज इज अ मेन रेट लिमिटिंग एंजाइम ऑफ द ग्लाइकोलाइसिस. वैसे तो इसके अंदर 3 है: हेक्सोकाइनेज, फास्फोफ्रक्टोकाइनेज और पायरुवेट काइनेज. 3 रेट लिमिटिंग एंजाइम: हेक्सोकाइनेज, phosphofructokinase and pyruvate kinase. 3 important enzyme are rate limiting enzyme, are cycle controlling enzyme of the glycolysis: hexokinase, phosphofructokinase, pyruvate kinase. एक क्वेश्चन ओस्पी के अंदर यहाँ कभी-कभी आपसे वाईवाईसी में पूछा जाता है, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द ग्लूकोकाइनेज एंड हेक्सोकाइनेज. ये आपका होमवर्क है. ये आपके चैटर्जी में बेहतरीन तरीके से उसकी टेबल बनी हुई है. फाइक में मुझे याद नहीं है, बहरहाल चैटर्जी में तो कंफर्म उसकी एक टेबल बनी हुई है, डिफरेंस बिटवीन द हेक्सोकाइनेज एंड ग्लूकोकाइनेज इन द ग्लाइकोलाइसिस. ये आप वहां से पढ़ लीजिएगा. बेहतरीन, उसमें 5-6 डिफरेंस आते हैं, कभी कभी शॉर्ट एसे में भी प्रीवियस ईयर्स में तो आया है। अब आपके मॉड्यूलर सिस्टम में ये शॉर्ट एसेस की इतनी इंपॉर्टेंस है नहीं, मगर आपकी नॉलेज में होनी चाहिए कि व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द हेक्सोकाइनेस एंड ग्लूकोकाइनेस। सो दिस इज अबाउट द मस्कुलर बायोकेमिस्ट्री। माय नेक्स्ट टॉपिक रिगार्डिंग योर लोकोमोटर, दैट इज अ बोन रीमॉडलिंग, रिकेट्स एंड ओस्टियोमलेशिया। वो टॉपिक जब आएगा तो बेटा उसमें मुलाकात होगी। ओके बेटा, अल्लाह हाफिज।